Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I clean my makeup brushes in my beauty blender. Now these are just some old brushes I found while cleaning out an old makeup bag. They have maybe about a year's worth of buildup on them. I haven't used them in a long time. Now this is the soap that I normally use. It's a Dettol antibacterial bar of soap, and this soap is actually really good. I use it on my professional brushes in my kit as well. Like I said, it's antibacterial, so it gets rid of all the bacteria and buildup, and it actually cuts my cleaning time down by 50%, and it doesn't dry my brushes out. Now I will just usually run the bar of soap underneath water and run my brush across it a couple of times, and it gets all the gunk out of my brushes and get all that bacteria and all that buildup out of the brushes. And then just go ahead and rinse your brush out, squeeze it out, and voila, there you go, it's all clean. And now I'm moving on to the beauty blender, and like I said, I haven't used these stuff in over a year, so this beauty blender have a lot of buildup that's just sitting in there. This is just to show you how good this soap really is. And yeah, just keep watching and see this beauty blender come back to life. So I just keep running this beauty blender across the bar of soap and then squeezing it out under running water, and I just keep doing that until the beauty blender comes clear and the water runs clear. And it's just taking some time because, like I said, these tools have been sitting for over a year with all this makeup on it and all this buildup. So this soap is just really cleaning this beauty blender from the inside out. This beauty blender is back to life. Now you guys see why I love this soap so much. I just wanted to thank you guys for stopping by and checking this video out. If you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.